SIM swapping is a growing problem, and it can happen without you even realizing it. This sneaky tactic allows cybercriminals to take control of your phone number, which they then can use to access your online accounts. Let's run through a quick checklist to make sure it doesn't happen to you. And if it does, I've got my contact information at the end of this video, and I can help. First, do you use a strong and unique password? This is the most important step. Check that your passwords are complex and unique for each account. Second, do you have two-factor authentication enabled? If you don't, you might be vulnerable to SIM swapping. Opt for authentication apps instead of SMS-based codes. Third, have you set up your account PIN numbers? Many carriers will allow you to create a separate PIN for your account. This adds an extra layer of verification when you're making changes. Fourth, do you monitor your accounts regularly? Keep an eye on your phone and bank statements for unusual activity. If you notice your phone suddenly loses service or starts acting weird, act fast. You might have been SIM swapped. Fifth, are you careful about sharing personal information online? Be cautious about what you post on social media. Scammers often use social engineering techniques to gather information needed to impersonate you. And one last thing, consider switching to an eSIM. If your device supports it, eSIMs are less susceptible to theft, and they're embedded in the device so they can't be physically swapped. So there it is, a quick checklist to make sure that you're protected from SIM swapping. If you're ever scammed by a SIM swap, contact my advocacy team. We can help. I have more great videos on my channel. You can subscribe now, and please like, share, and replay this video if you love it. Oh, and I know you do.